Hey YouTubers, how y'all doing today? Um, I'm cooking Sunny dinner for my family today. So I know y'all probably never seen my face on YouTube. This is my first time showing my face on YouTube today. So y'all probably see my picture up on my YouTube channel, and I probably do the voiceover or the voice over what I'm cooking on my YouTube channel. And so this is y'all first time seeing my face. Hi, my name is Shamika, and um, I'm just cooking Sunny dinner for my family. So y'all probably see more videos later on down the line. In the future, y'all probably see more of me cooking, or doing more shirts, or I do shirts, I do hair, and I do a whole lot of things. So this is what I do. My passion is love cooking and doing hair. So um, I'm very creative of making shirts on t-shirts and stuff like that. So that's what I do. I didn't put nothing out there on YouTube yet, but I will soon. Um, so whenever y'all get to see my channel a little bit more, I just wanted to grow a little bit more. So, um, so when I do put more videos out there, y'all will see me more. Y'all see my face more, or the activities I will do in my spare time. So, um, give me thumbs up, subscribe, like, and comment. Bye. Peace.